Okay, so we've got a real life graph here and we're asked to interpret the gradient. So first of all we need to figure out what the gradient is. The gradient is how much y changes for every change in x, and to calculate it you just work out how much y has changed between 2 points, which is 12 here, and work out how much x has changed, which is 10, and the gradient is the change in y over change in x. Y has changed 12, x has changed 10, therefore that's going to be 1.2. And so our interpretation is that for every 1 mile you pay £1.20. Okay, so you pay £1.20 per mile. So the gradient always says for every one of these, how much of these are there. So for every 1 mile, there is £1.20 of payment